Intro. Did you know that 90% of first impressions online based on design? Visiting a website that looks colorful and inviting. Now, think of another that feels outdated and confusing. Which one would you rather spend time on? Today, we're diving into you can transform your by mastering UI, UX, and front-end development. These skills are not just for fancy designers. They are essential for anyone looking to create engaging, user-friendly experiences. Ready to step up your design game? Let's get started. First, let's break down what UI and UX actually mean. UI stands for user interface. It's all about the look and feel of your app or website. This includes buttons, icons, colors, and overall layout. Now, moving on to UX, which is user experience. This focuses on how users interact with your product. It's about making their experience smooth, enjoyable, and intuitive. Why do these two matter? Because a beautiful design can only take you so far if the user can't figure out how to use it. Next, let's talk about the basics of UI design. Start with color theory. Colors set the tone for your design. Use a color wheel to find complementary and contrasting colors. For example, blue is often used for trust, while red can evoke excitement. Then, think about typography. Choosing the right font can make a big difference in readability. Use no more than 2 or 3 fonts in your design to keep it consistent. Now, let's shift gears to UX design. Begin with user research. Understand who your users are and what they want. You can conduct surveys or interviews to gather this information. Next, create user personas. These are fictional characters that represent your target audience. They help you design with your users in mind. After that, design user journeys. Map out how a user might interact with your site or app. This helps you see any potential pain points. Let's look at a real-world example. Take a popular app like Spotify. They have a clean UI with vibrant colors and easy navigation. But more importantly, their UX is top-notch. They've made it simple for users to discover new music based on their preferences. That's the power of combining UI and UX. Now, let's touch on front-end development, which connects design with functionality. Start by learning HTML and CSS. HTML is the backbone of any website. It's responsible for the structure, while CSS controls the styling. For a dynamic experience, learn JavaScript. It allows you to add interaction to your designs. Next, make use of frameworks like React or Vue.js. These can help speed up your development process and offer reusable components. And don't forget about responsive design. More users are accessing websites through mobile devices than ever before. Make sure your designs look good no matter the screen size. You can achieve this through flexible grid systems and media queries. Let's summarize what we've covered so far. We discussed the importance of both UI and UX in design. We also explored how front-end development bridges the gap between design and tech. Now, here's a quick activity for you. Take a design you admire and analyze it. What elements stand out? How do the UI and UX work together? Write down your findings in the comments. Before we wrap up, let's talk about resources for learning. There are plenty of online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and FreeCodeCamp. You can find courses specifically tailored to UI, UX, and front-end development. Podcasts and YouTube channels are also fantastic for learning on the go. Engagement with the community is crucial. Join forums or social media groups dedicated to design. Ask for feedback and share your work. #outro. Remember, mastering UI, UX, and front-end design is a journey. Don't rush it. Practice regularly and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And make sure to subscribe for more content about design and development. Transform your designs and create meaningful experiences for your users. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What challenges do you face in your design journey? I'd love to hear your thoughts.